So why did you want to launch your own online business?
I have been looking online for the past 2.5 years. I looked into drop shipping, looked into print on demand. With the drop shipping, I found out there's a lot of inventory, or at least potential inventory, and it was a low ticket item. And I did not want a low ticket item. I wanted something that really could afford me some wealth. And I found this on TikTok, obviously, and I said, wow, I like this. It's a high ticket item, something that could afford me with 100% profit, 100% commission, as opposed to 20% commission on these phone holders or a vacuum cleaner or something. So that's when I joined. That's why I figured this is definitely what I wanted.
And so how long have you been in the community?
I've been doing this now for 9 weeks. Joined July the 25th.
So what is something that you've experienced being in the community that you had no idea was going to happen?
Being in the community, meeting some great folks, having the opportunity of them helping me because I'm new. As we say, you don't have to be tech savvy, and I'm certainly not tech savvy. Prior to me joining this community, I did not know anything about TikTok. My grandbabies, they keep saying, oh, Jeepa, look at my videos, and especially my 9-year-old, and she makes all these different videos on TikTok. And so I said, okay.
So does she know you're on TikTok now?
Oh, yeah.
What does she think of that?
Yeah, she goes, wow, Jeepa, I like your videos. I said, yeah, so she's going to continue to help me with some of my videos.
So what is one thing that you've learned that you didn't expect to learn being in the community?
Well, just the digital marketing business itself, being able to get on TikTok and market really throughout the world. I mean, if you think about it, what I say in my lives on a regular basis, the world is your oyster. And you got this little pearl, and you open up the oyster, and it's like, there's my market. There's my world.
Wow, that's good. That's good. So if you could fast forward to 3 years, how do you see your life in 3 years?
I know in my lives, my goal is to make 100 grand by this time next year. So that's my 1-year goal. 3 years, I guess triple that.
Love it.
Quadruple that. I mean, wow, I haven't even thought of a 3-year goal. I've just thought about a 1-year goal. I talk about you a lot on my lives, that originally your goal was to, I think, make
54,000 my first year.
54,000 your first year, and 17 months in it, you're at $1 million, million plus. And I think to myself, if she can do it, then why can't I?
Exactly. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you're new to TikTok.
New to TikTok.
How was your confidence when you started to create videos? Oh
my goodness. Yeah, I've told a couple of the other ladies here when I first started TikTok, I'd say, I'm going to go live at whatever particular time it is, and then literally just before I'm ready to push that TikTok live button, I would freeze up and it says, I can't do this. And it was here. I couldn't do it there. Now, I've been going live for the past, I'd say, month and a half or so, and it's kind of just like breathing. You don't really think about it.
So what got you fixed here, though? What was it that helped you stop hesitating?
More confidence.
Yeah. Well, what helped you get more confidence?
Just the repetition, the consistency. The consistency, absolutely. Being consistent.
That's
and
huge.
Coming from my heart.
Getting out of your head.
That's really
and
what
your
it
heart.
is. Get out of my head and coming from my heart.
Wow.
That's what it was. And the fact that I'm able to create potentially these opportunities for the people that buy from me to pay it forward daily. My whole shtick when I'm doing my videos is John Cat, paying it forward daily, so I can help other people's lives, because that's really what it's about for me.
It is.
It's creating not just opportunity for me, but creating an opportunity for anybody and everybody else that purchased from me.
So if you could go back and start your journey, what is one thing you wish you would have known then that you know now?
Just the opportunity of being in the digital marketing business. And I'd always heard about digital marketing, but did not know anything about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tired of being a physical therapist. You know, not to say it's bad, because it's treated me well. I mean, 33 years of doing this, treating thousands of patients and getting them well and everything. You know, I'm 63 years old, and I would rather work 2 or 3 hours a day and being able to promote a product that is 100% profit, 100% commission, than to have to go and just do the grindstone every single day, you know? Yeah.
So what piece of advice would you give to somebody that has never been in the digital space, never been on TikTok, but wants to launch their own online business? What piece of advice would you give them?
We're a community of over 41,000 people. Something has to be doing right. I mean, think about it. You know, 41,000 people doing the same thing, selling 4 different products. The blueprint, as you put it, it's tried and true. It's been proven to work time and time again. What I would say is just to do it. You know, we're not getting any younger. I'm 63. I'm the oldest man here, the oldest person in this condo. You know, don't wait until you're 63. You know, even for those retirees that are looking for something to do on a part-time basis, just to supplement their income, you know, just do it. It ain't difficult. It ain't difficult at all. It's really fairly simple. You know, get on TikTok, do your videos, or Facebook or any of the other platforms, and do your videos, and then going live and spreading the good word, sharing the word.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So our next cruise, then, you're going to have made 100K, right?
Oh yeah,
Yes.
100%.
Love it. There you go.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
I'm looking forward to that.
So
Yeah,
fun.
Looking forward to that. It's been a pleasure. It's
Yeah.
been an absolute pleasure.
Awesome.
This is why I wanted to join the cruise with you guys and to come over here and really
It makes
get to
a
enjoy
difference, doesn't it?
a heck of a lot of difference. Yeah.
We're going to do more of them, more meetups.
More meetups.
Yeah, that'd be
well,
great.
you're an inspiration to everybody. So
Thank you.
you know,
I'm inspired by you guys.
yeah.
I'm so honored and grateful and very inspired by everybody, their story, and you know what they went through to get to where they are or where they're going. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah. Well, we've learned a lot, and there's a lot more for me to learn
For all
in
of
your
us.
digital community.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
Thanks, Michelle.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
It's definitely a pleasure.
Yeah, love it.
Okay.